Good morning, sir. Good morning, son. What can I do for you? I'd like you to advise me about opening a student's account. Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is to fill in the required form and give us some identification. What sort of identification? You will have to give a bona fide student certificate from your headmaster. You should also provide us a photocopy of your school identity card and a copy of your Aadhaar card. Yes, sir. I will submit these documents along with the form. That will do. Just collect the form from the clerk at counter number 11. Fill in the form at home and bring it along with the required supporting documents I told you about. We will then open your account. Oh yes, there's one more thing. You will have to deposit a minimum of 1,000 rupees if you want a checkbook. Otherwise you need to deposit just 100 rupees. Thank you, sir, you have been very helpful.